Hello everyone. So let's thank each other before we can proceed for the subscriptions that we have been making to make this channel grow. So this makes me make more content because we are still actually pushing the YouTube algorithm. So in this video, we shall be taking ourselves to trying to dive or delve to explorations in Linux, where we will explore um, how to try to browse the internet through the terminal while you don't have the internet browser. So we will use the terminal and try to see what things that we can do using the terminal, trying to visit the website with the terminal, and then trying to see whether we can be able to see the content on the website using the terminal. So in this case, we will open our Linux terminal, and then after opening our Linux terminal, then let's open the new tab. Then from here we will make use of a utility that we refer to as links2. So to install that, you can use sudo apt apt install links2. So now let me enter my password so that we can be able to deploy. I have actually deployed links2 some time ago. So here we can just clear and then try to see whether we can be able to visit Google just using a terminal, and then trying to visit several links on Google just using the terminal while we don't have the browser installed, or if we still have the browser installed but we are interested in the Linux terminal. So remember, one thing that you can use this for is basically if you want to visit a website and then get some text without testing or of the graphics. So which means for the graphics and JavaScript activities, you don't need this. So this one disables completely JavaScript, but the text is actually available for you to view the content right here. Now what we can do is to type links2. We can type links to google.com. Okay, then we have Google right on our terminal. So now that we have Google on our terminal, what we can also try to see is to search for, let me search for Lesotho government. Now that we can even search right here so that we can see as much information as possible. We can even go to finance.gov.ls, then we can see some information on this website. So now that we can view this information on the website, let's try to visit the departments. We can see that there is finance.gov.ls. If you want to try to view more information, you can see that right here. Okay, so then we can be able to see that finance here we are. Then we have several links. If you want to go back, then you can go back and then try to go back to Google using the arrows. Or if you want to visit another website while you are still here, what you can type is to try to press the letter G, and then it will take you to the URL. If you want to like visit let me say you want to visit Econet. Let me see, I forgot the website for Econet, but we can even check for gov.ls. Let's try to visit gov.ls so that we can be able to see whether we can be able to find this this host right here. But this is more of yeah, we are on the gov.ls website. Now that we are on gov.ls, then we can even visit these links right here, so you can be able to see some more information in as far as this links2 is concerned. Now that you can do that, you can even see there are several links to Facebook, Google, and Twitter. So this is some information that you can be able to see here. Now that this information can be viewed, so you can go back and then try to go back again, and then let's go up so that we can, yeah, so we are on Google. Then let's try to visit while we are on Google right here. Let's try to visit, let's say Mike Muima. Let's try to check. All right, so we can see Mike Muima is on Facebook, and then you can see that this is the link that you can be able to find just using the terminal. So Facebook will need me to log in using the mail and the password so that we can be able to see this person. Now that we can be able to do this, let's say we want to observe the pictures on this terminal. What we can do here is to type links to, then like #G, and then let's say google.com. so here let me links to. Now that we can see Google right here, what we can also do is to, let me type my name. Okay, so we can be able to see this mini browser. So now that you have searched for this person, then you can see as much information as possible. So you can also observe that this person is available on YouTube, and as much information as possible right here. So apart from that, so we can be able to explore that everything that you want to search right here, basically in terms of content without pictures, then it is a very convenient way for you to do this. There are some cases that you might be able to make use of this tool like this. Let's suppose you are doing a research while you are still within a server room, and then your server doesn't have a GUI, so which means it can be possible for you to try to use the terminal browser so that you can be able to get some information that can be consumable within your parameters while you are still on site. So if you like this content, guys, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for the subscriptions that have crossed 1000, and thank you. Peace.